Okay, so moving on. I already cut one of the dowels off. I'll cut this one off now. Use whatever I have laying around the bench to cut it easily. No biggie. Okay, move it around a little bit. There we go. Now, before we do that, I taped off the depth that I want, and I'll drill out these holes. Pull out the extra dirt. And a little glue on these. I don't run these down even and then shave them. I prefer to do it up higher, so I have a little room to bang them in, make sure they're tight, and then cut them, because I find if you do it like this, you pinch them and then you end up just having to fill that spot in. Get it down in there. And maybe, let's say here. There you go, a little bit better. So I'll go around to all the holes like that. I missed one right here. Front and back. I'll come back over these. Smooth that out. Here I just might soak this area a little bit in CA glue and sand it so that CA glue goes down into that wood and hardens the wood a bit. I am flipping it over now. You can see I added filled in all the holes. Flip it over now and drill out these. Just go through the same thing, gluing these and putting them in. I'll do one for you. I'll spare you the boredom of seeing me doing them all. So let's put another drill bit in here and take care of the two more holes that we have left. Two holes we have left, should I say. And we need to put a small one here. And then one right here. You can see that. Run our dowel in there and tap it in. And then wipe off the, this is a very, very lightly damp rag. I knew I was going to use it, so I dampened the rag and laid it outside for a while till it just dried to where it was lightly damp. And that's what I use. And give it a little tap. And clean off the glue. So now all the holes are filled. And I will let these dry for 24 hours, very good. Okay, just so you know, my cousins Guido, Anthony, and Rita said, you better like it, otherwise they're coming for you. They're going to slap you with a cannoli. Yow.